Oh my gosh, let me see you guys here. What are you doing? Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. And today we're gonna be doing a makeup look, a full face. That's two things I'm testing out in this video. Got it. Okay. Oh, you can see my ring light. So the first thing I'm testing out is this Velvet Matte's Profusion palette. So all colors on my lid are from here. Here are the brushes. I used each one of them on my face and only each one of them for my whole makeup look. And if you're interested in seeing how everything went just keep watching. So first we can start with our crease color. Take number 6, which is the tapered crease blending brush. How can we move? Let's see how that looks. Number 7, which is the detailing crease blending brush. I'm gonna go into this for my outer corner. Into Cozy and Dapper. Daddy.
Can I dance in the background?
No. Next we're gonna take number 9, which is the flat shader brush with Snap. You could just take this large concealer brush and I'm gonna take my concealer and I guess I'll do like a little cut crease with a light shade. We'll go into Mellow and Heavenly. Let's see how those look together. I'm gonna indulge Cozy and Dap in the outer corner. And this is number 5, which is large crease blending brush. Ooh, talk about large. This is one of the last brushes I have not used as far as eyes go. And this is number 10 angled liner brush. And then I'm gonna go into Energy. The other side of this, number 5, and then put Noble. Probably like right here. I've been using this liner so much, but it's because I genuinely love it and I need more. We'll try to do a thin line, but it never works. I'm gonna take this brush, then go on the bottom, and go in Ablaze and put it on our bottom left side. We got one eye down and we'll do one other eye and then I'll be back to do the face. 10 hours later, we have 4 more brushes to use. This is the one I'm gonna use for foundation. Large flat top brush, Fing brush, primer. I use the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. When these two together, I picked up a lot of product. Okay, first concealer. Cream contour with the LA colors. Cream contour Second Dark. And then we still have 3 more brushes. 1, which is the powder brush. 2 is the contour brush. 4 is the blush brush. Actually, I'm going to the Profusion palette and take the light highlight and set under my eyes first. Now that that's done, I'm going to go in with the large chisel contour brush. I'm going to take our deep contour from this Profusion palette, this one right here, and then chisel out our face. But now we're going to go into our Okra blush. This is our final brush. So I'm going to do my lashes and then I'm going to do my highlight on camera with y'all because that's my favorite part. And then we'll be done. And I first take the e.l.f. red lip liner But now we're gonna spray our face and highlight. This time I kept my mouth closed. We're gonna take number 5. Both of my fave highlights are from my mouth. Okay, let's put you in the ring light so we can finish. So guys, it's the end of the video and I absolutely love these brushes. I haven't had any shedding. Each brush does its job. It's promised. They're on sale for like $10 or $12 on BH Cosmetics, and BH Cosmetics is always having sales. I know because they're always blowing up my email, but I do recommend it. Next thing we were testing out in this video was the Profusion Velvet palette, and I love it. It's like all nudes. I know some people might say like that's not very convenient because what if you don't only like neutral looks. I have a pretty decent sized makeup collection and I have a lot of shimmers, a lot of glitters, so this is like a staple for me. So, like, I like to buy stuff like this, like palettes with all shimmers or palettes with all mattes, because I feel like you can mix and match looks with both palettes and I have to go out and keep buying a palette for one shimmer in it that you like or one matte that you like, because I have these many. Thank you guys for watching, enjoying coming to see me get done up. Like, sis is ready to go out. But thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye.